Alright guys, I'm here for our no heat call. If you push the switch in, you can hear the water. So, let's tuck this drain line out. And I had to clean out in it somewhere. Not sure where, but it needs a clean out. It does not have one at all. I might do it right here so I can get all of it. And this trap right here is also unnecessary. I'll see if I can get this sucked out first. Okay. It's really sucked up.
It's not our drain, it's the white pipe right there, right?
Right, it's a drain for the furnace and the air conditioner and the humidifier. So I'm gonna have to cut in a clean out right here and try to force the clog out wherever it's at. Most likely in this,
Right,
which
that
this
little loop, yeah.
this trap is really not necessary. I don't know why they put it in. It's just an added spot for it to stop up for no reason. Which one is it? Oh, the other one's draining. The one that I'm working on. Oh, well, that would have been handy to know. I ought to come get it. See, what else did they not glue? Just that piece. Yeah. Okay, well, let's try this again. There we go. Alright, well. Still pretty nasty. Cut in a clean out up here. Okay. We'll mark this where we need it cut. A little bit of play. Clean out way up here. Doesn't do me any good. Got my mark. fit it, make sure it works. Alright, it's gonna work. Some glue. Get this done, get the CO2, and try again. Alright, we got our clean out cut in. I'm gonna hook my vacuum back up, and we're gonna push and pull. We can get done. Oops. Okay. All right. Water down it. Alright. Spray some of this in it. Watch it run out. Nice and clear. And back together. Push it out a couple times. Take a look here. There's a lot of gunk. Alright, I'm going to flush it out and we'll turn it back on. Alright, we're nice and clear. Got all the gunk out of it. It's, my tripod broke, so it's making this hard. Let's push the door switch in. See what the inducer sounds like now. Much better. Door back on. Okay. Let it fire up and we are good to go. Got the steady flash, call for heat. We had a 3 flash before, pressure switch error. There we go. We just lit. Awesome. Good to go. Alright, on this one I was getting 120 volts. Ignitor's not igniting, or not glowing. I can check resistance across it. I have open line. So I'm going to take this one out and put this one in. Together.